Hey there! Today we're tackling a problem that many data analysts face when working with ID variables from multiple hospitals. These IDs often have different arrangements, including variations like secondary line numbers or punctuation after the root ID number. The challenge is to standardize these IDs by removing the punctuation and anything that comes after it, leaving just the root ID number intact. Now let's dive into the solution. The key to this problem lies in using a specific regular expression to target the punctuation and additional characters following it in the ID. The regex pattern provided, punct, punct, $, effectively matches the final punctuation character in the ID, along with everything that follows it until the end of the string. This allows us to isolate and extract the root ID number from the varying formats present in the data. Building on the previous solution, we can implement the regex pattern in order to clean up the ID numbers effectively. By applying this function with the regex pattern, we can strip away the punctuation and any subsequent characters, leaving us with the standardized root ID numbers across all the hospital IDs in the dataset. This approach ensures consistency in the ID format, making it easier to analyze and compare data from different hospitals seamlessly. In summary, by leveraging the power of regular expressions and the function in R, we've successfully addressed the challenge of standardizing hospital ID numbers with varying formats. This solution offers a robust and efficient method to clean and extract the essential root ID numbers, streamlining data processing tasks. I hope you found the solution helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more data cleaning tips and tricks.